What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy back at it again with another YouTube video, and I'm going to show you how I made $5,000 today trading on a Monday and trading NASDAQ. So I'm going to hop straight into the chart. My daily bias today is bearish, but I have to keep in mind we have a opening range gap right here. So usually when price has an opening range gap, price likes to trade back into the gap to rebalance it. So I'm going to play price forward and show you my thought process. So this yellow box is London session. We have an SMT at the lows with S&P. S&P took out the lows as NASDAQ did not, so it already tells me we want to go higher. So right here, we enter New York session. That's my green box. So let me notate that we have our range low. And we have our range high. Price is already telling me it wants to go higher, but I'm convicted on my bearish bias because of the bearish price action from last week. So I'm looking to take off my positions at either one of these two failure swings and not target the range low. So right now I'm looking for either a manipulation above this range high or a manipulation above this intermediate high before I take a position. So we get our manipulation above this high right here, and I enter. I entered on this green candle with a tight stop loss. And keep in mind, guys, this is a Monday trading, so not high probability. And I look to target this intermediate low. And I want you to really pay attention what happens after I target this intermediate low. Notice how we smack TP and we immediately start shooting up higher. That's because we're heading to fill this opening range gap. So again, we had an SMT at these lows in London session. So during London session, this was the range low and this was the range high. So we manipulated the range and we traded higher. All this is a dip back into discount. And watch this. We traded higher, we filled the gap, and we started to trade lower, and we traded higher again. But that's all I got for you guys today. That's how I made $5,000 counter trend trading. I wouldn't recommend it because I went in today with a bearish bias.